All right, today we're looking at lesson 43, possessive and demonstrative pronouns. A possessive noun takes the place of a possessive noun. It shows who or what has or owns something. So John's class planned a yard sale. That's a possessive noun. It shows John is the person that it's talking about, and he is in possession of something. So it's his class. So you're replacing John's class with his class planned a yard sale. That's your possessive pronoun. John's possessive is replaced by his. All right, there are two kinds of possessive pronouns. The possessive pronouns my, your, his, her, its, our, and their appear before a noun. The possessive pronouns mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs stand alone. So when you're looking here, before the noun, it says my old bike is in good shape. We can sell it at our yard sale, and Jenna sold her old scooter. Your tennis racket sold quickly, and where is their basketball? Obviously, if it's before the noun, we have my, and then bike is the noun. Our yard sale is the noun. Her scooter, your tennis racket, their basketball. And then sometimes it can just stand alone. This is the stand-alone pronouns. This kite is mine. Ours are on the table. The skates are hers too. Yours are right there, and the football is theirs. So those are just standalone pronouns, possessive pronouns. All right, and then we also have the demonstrative pronouns. It says this, that, these, and those point out a specific person, place, or thing. Use this and these to point out things that are nearby, and that and those to point out things that are further away. Things that are nearby, it says this is a big sale. So nearby might be when you're in the store and you look at the sign and you say, hey, this is a big sale. Another nearby is, do these still work? And you could be holding maybe some earphones or maybe a lamp. If you're holding it, you could say, do these still work? Further away is when you're sort of pointing things out. That costs $1, and you might be pointing to something down the aisle. Eric bought those over there. So those might be, once again, down the aisle, not near you, but something you would point out to someone else. And then next it says, do not use here or there with demonstrative pronouns. So it says, have you ever seen that there before? So once again, you're not using there when you have a demonstrative pronoun like that. The correct way of saying it is, have you ever seen that before? All right, let's go ahead and get a little bit more into our practice here. In section A, it says, read each sentence, underline each possessive pronoun, sorry about that, circle each demonstrative pronoun, write the pronoun on the line. All right, so when we're looking at this, we need to decide once again, we need to make sure that we understand. So we need to underline each possessive noun. So thinking about possessive nouns, we are thinking of words like her, our, their, hers, and then we're going to circle each demonstrative, which of course your demonstrative are this, that, these, and those. And then write the pronoun on the line. All right, so let's look at the first one. It says, here are your old comic books. Your is your pronoun, and so you are going to put your. And that, of course, is a possessive pronoun, so it needs to be underlined. And then next, mine are still in Dad's car. Mine needs to be underlined, and mine needs to be written on the line. Once again, it is a possessive pronoun, and once again, you can always refer up here, mine, of course, in that possessive pronoun, and then your, of course, once again, in the possessive pronoun. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the next page, which is your homework page. I would like for you to try finding the possessive or demonstrative pronoun. I would like for you to continue that strategy for 3 through 10. I'll do one more for you just to make sure that you're on the right track. It says, does the blue jacket fit my brother? As I'm sure you can see, you see that my is a possessive noun, so you are going to put my in the blank. Please do the rest on your own. And then it says, write the possessive or demonstrative pronoun in parentheses that correctly complete each sentence. Please, as it says, write. I know a lot of you love to circle your answers, but I really would like for you to, you can underline or you can circle it, but I do want it in the blank, please. So number 1 says, blank plan to raise $500 for the playground. And so it needs to, it's either R or R's. And so it is our plan. That is the correct way because you have one plan as a group. So our plan is to raise $500 for the playground. Number 2 says, will blank be enough money to build it? So you're looking at that or those. And you have that is going to be something that's going to be a little bit, it's going to be near you. It's going to be nearby. So that should be in the line. So when you're thinking about that, I want you to think, will that be enough money to build it? It's going to be something that's probably going to be in your hand, something that's going to be nearby. Let's look at number 9 as an example of something that might be far away. It says, on the table over there come, I'm sorry, those on the table over there came from the shop. Because you're talking about a table over there, you're talking about something that is far away. So I wanted to make sure that you understood the understanding about that nearby and further away. So that's an example of that further away. Go ahead and try the rest tonight, number 3 through 8, and then make sure you don't forget number 10. If you have any questions, of course, you can message me through the envelope in Canvas, or you can bring your questions to me tomorrow. But please make sure that you try as much as you can through here. If you have any questions, we can talk about it tomorrow. Good luck. Thanks.